welcome back to Eliza's World. Today we're doing the Five Nights at Freddy's Clay Challenge. We haven't started yet, but I've done some practicing. This is Mum's that, and this is my Freddy head. Painted the bottom and done everything.
So we're going to be using polymer clay to create a Five Nights at Freddy's character or scene.
We're both doing the same.
And then we're going to do it, and then you guys can tell us in the comments whose is best.
Okay, so let's cheers. Which one do you want? I'm choosing Lefty.
I think I'm going to choose Foxy.
Which Foxy?
I don't know, it might be that one.
Yeah, that one's cute.
He's very cute. What we need to do is have a piece of clay each, so we're each getting just one block of clay. Ooh. One strip of clay. Oh, it's so satisfying. Eliza, are you ready for the Five Nights at Freddy Clay Challenge?
Yes. And let it begin!
I'm still a bit undecided because if I decide to do Ballora, I'm going to need wires, I think. And I'm not feeling confident yet because we're very...
No, you could just make the head, because I'm just making the head really.
Oh, okay. Well,
I mean, the body is just too much work and it's going to be a long time.
Yeah, but I kind of want to make the body.
Ooh. I mean, Ballora's body is a might
so
be a
it's
bit
like
too
a figurine
hard.
so that we can actually stand it. Do you think that's just being too ambitious?
Yeah.
Ooh. I don't know if it's too difficult. Oh yeah, I don't think I can do Foxy.
Yeah, look at.
Right, I think then I'm going to do Circus Baby.
Oh, how about her head? Instead, I'm gonna. Oh, I'm already chosen Lefty. Where's the shoes?
Right, so now.
Where's the shoes?
They're already on the feet. I've just got to mould them a little bit better. I'm just doing each bit by bit, each part. And now I know I've got enough
I think I'm
dough.
already winning with the thing. I took out all the pieces, but I realised I can't make a head. So I got my little shoes. Now good.
It does get your fingers working, doesn't it, Clay?
Oh. Then we're gonna add the pointing finger.
This is going crazy. I think I need to make a new skirt. I'm just going to turn that into her skin now.
Look over on the other side and feel sorry for yours.
That is now your body.
Did you hear that? Look over on the other side and feel sorry for yours. Oh my god, what is this? Wait, is that the front of her head?
No, it's the back. You won't see it because of the hair.
The front is worse than the back.
Really weird, I need to put a hole in. Mine, the microphone has just turned into a demented ice cream.
Mine is even close.
This is Scrap Baby. This is Scrap Baby.
No, Mummy, she's Circus Baby.
Oh, but she's going to go on the scrap when I finish. And then this one is Eliza's, which is quite good. Really impressed with that. Is there anything else you want to make, Eliza, before we put them in the oven? So we baked our models for about 20 minutes for mine. Eliza's took a little bit longer. We also lost the arms off Eliza, sadly, but hot glue works a treat with clay. So what we're going to do...
Paint?
Yes, we do. So what we're going to do is we're going to start painting these now, and we'll see you when we finish.
Ruining this.
Why are you ruining it?
She looks like she got blood all over her face.
Well, you'll be able to paint over that later, won't you?
Hello, my name is Circus Baby and I came for my doctor's appointment.
It looks like she's got a carrot on her lap. Baby's got an ice cream in her hand and a carrot on her lap. Baby is a monster.
Well, I can actually tell you this one. I am so sorry I have to say this, but listen, the black line here, the no. So guys, we have allowed them to dry, and this is mine, how it came out.
Okay, I really like Eliza's. She's done a lot of detail.
What about the eyebrows? I can't explain.
She's really upset with it, but I think it's great because it's the first time that she's used clay like this. It's the first time she's ever modelled a baby.
No, wait, listen.
Now, compare that to mine, where there's a lot of things that I'm just not pleased with.
Wait, what?
A little Fred Bear and a big baby, so it looks like baby has a teddy.
It's Freddy.
And Eliza.
I did a Freddy head. This is my first time a Freddy head, and I went big. I went for Circus Baby.
That's brilliant.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Eliza's World. Don't forget to check out our Twitter and Instagram at Eliza's World X. Hit that like button in the face. Hit that like button in the face. How dare you? That was cheating.
I'm gonna sue you.
Wait, how? You cheated. Let's do that again. Hit that like button in the face. Oh, can you stop dodging? Okay, then let's do that again. Hit that like button in the face.
You hit your own head then. Oh.
I really bumped you, didn't I? Dear, come in here.
Yes, Mama.
Do I look good?
Where did you get those eyebrows from?
From me, of course, I made it.
Okay.
Get faster!
Freddy! Yeah?
Hands up if you don't like my makeup.
Does she know we made a clay and we can't put our hands up?
Just say yes or no. Do you like my makeup?
I've got no body.
I like your makeup. I like your makeup.
Yeah. It depends on if you wear all the makeup or not. Mom, when they said taste the rainbow, you didn't have to put it all over your face.
You silly child. Excuse me, child. Child, I will kick you out of existence. Thanos click.